Oh boy, he's a cold, foggy. Something big, I guess. Took all the way around before it even started to pull. Look at that. He was way over on this side. I see the big tail way over there. Oh boy, he's a nice one. He is a nice one out there. Over here now. Oh my god, look at that tail. Come on, red. It's a red, all right. It's a red, all right. Oh, take it off again. Hold it. Holy moly. Whoa. Kick off again. You way out there now again, man. Come on, bud. Look at that. Keep this one close. Alright, come on back here. Tangled up that other one. Oh man, come back to life. Come on, man. Man, I gotta line out this one and line up straight out. Come on, buddy. Oh man. Get this thing in here before it tangles it all up. Yeah, this one's out of the way. Come on in here, man. Come on. Ooh, he's about 26, I think. Keeper. Beautiful red. So I'm glad he was out here. I hope we can land him. It's cold, it's foggy. Well, not as much as it was, but it was this morning earlier. Oh. Come on, get back over here. Come on. Ooh, it's a beauty. Man, it's a big tail on that sucker, man. Come on. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Ah, we got him. He's about 26. He's a keeper. All right.